In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Eneba coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Eneba coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called gg.deals. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discount. So for example, right here, if you want to get this one with 8% discount of video games, all you need to do is just tap right here to copy this promo code. And after that, you can use this promo code on your purchase so that you can get an 8% discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, we have this website which is called retrieve.com. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes that you can use. So right here, for example, let's say you want to get this one with 10% discount. All you need to do right here is just tap on this button where it says copy code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply copy this promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase so that you can get a 10% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.